Hey guys, this is Coach Marcus here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Thanks for coming back and checking out another video here on YouTube. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. And also give me a like if you like this video. I appreciate your support. Spread the word. I want to help as many people as I can with information maybe they didn't know to help protect them and also help them make lives better, right? So I did some research on the internet. I have a lot of more free time since I don't work a job anymore. I have my online business. I do that business 2 hours a day, 5 days a week, so that I have a whole lot of time to do things I truly enjoy doing since I don't work a job in corporate America anymore. It's been great. So today I'm talking about AI, okay, artificial intelligence. I'm sure you guys have heard of AI. I'm sure some of you have even used it or are using it, okay, because it's taking over and being used by a lot of businesses. A lot of platforms are using AI, which is a great tool. I like it. I use it. It helps me with my business. It helps me prepare my videos on Facebook. I do several videos on Facebook throughout the week to share information with people they didn't know. And AI is a tool I use for my research. And so I do have my notes. I want to refer to these for today's video, but first let me have me a sip of my coffee and we'll get into the content. So today I'm talking about jobs that might be replaced or transformed by AI. So I have a list of jobs, and these were the top 20 jobs that came up during my research. So the first job title is data entry clerk. That has a very high chance of being replaced by AI or transformed by it. Okay, and so tasks at risk are entering, verifying, and organizing data. Okay, AI can do that. Okay, now tasks that may be safe from AI taking its place are data analysis. Okay, still need humans to do that, and accuracy verification of the data. That's important. Okay, humans do that. Now some skills, someone who does data entry, some skills they want to develop are data analytics, being good and proficient at analyzing data and interpreting data. Excel automation, that's a software, Microsoft Excel. Know how to use the automation tools. And also AI data tools, which are great to use, can make life a lot easier. Next job title is customer service agent, has a high risk level of being replaced by AI. Okay, and the type of tasks that can be replaced by AI are handling repetitive queries and basic troubleshooting. How many of you guys have been on a website and you went to their contact button or their chat button and you receive immediate responses? Well, that's AI handling the inquiries on that company's website. Now, when humans get involved is when the question or the query is complex and it requires human involvement because it's a complex problem-solving issue. Okay, and also empathy-driven interactions can't be replaced by AI. Now, some skills that a customer service agent wants to develop are learning how to work with AI-assisted support. Okay, conflict resolution, get strong with that, and also communication, become a better communicator. Right. Next job title is telemarketer. Telemarketer, okay? The type of tasks that are at risk has a high risk level of being replaced by AI because cold calling, lead follow scripts, that can be done by AI now. Okay, now tasks that may be safe are relationship-based selling, where you sell based upon relationships, and also negotiations. AI is not going to be able to negotiate a sale. Okay, now some skills are persuasive communication, right? Enhance that skill, and also consultative sales, right? Next job title is administrative assistant, has a high chance of being replaced by AI. Scheduling, email management, and document prep, that can be done by AI and is currently being done by AI by many companies. Okay. Now, tasks that may be safe are executive coordination and project management. Need humans for that. Now, how to develop your skills as an administrative assistant. AI office tools, become proficient with using AI office tools, project software, okay, and people management, which is great. Next job is cashier. Very high risk of being replaced by AI. Look at all the self-checkout kiosks. Maybe they have one person to oversee them, but those kiosks are all AI. Okay, so transaction processing, that's what the self-checkout kiosks do. And also inventory checks, that can be done by AI, guys. Right? But tasks that may be safe, customer interaction, and also sales experience, that can't be replaced by AI. Some skills you want to develop as a cashier. Retail technology tools, right? Get familiar with those. Learn how to use that to help your job. Customer engagement. Get good at engaging the customer. Smile in your voice, having pleasing personality, be able to solve problems, right? Product knowledge, very important. Next job title is bookkeeping clerk. High risk of being replaced by AI. So routine accounting entries and reconciliation, that can be done by AI now. Okay. What can't be replaced by AI are financial analysis and auditing. Okay. Some next step skills to work on as a bookkeeper. Accounting software. Get familiar with using accounting software. Data analytics and compliance. Okay. Travel agent has a high risk level of being replaced by AI. I don't think it's been years since I've used a travel agent to book any of my trips. Right? The internet helps me. Don't need a travel agent. But tasks at risk are booking and itinerary management. How many times have you booked a flight, booked a hotel, booked a rental car, and you receive emails and texts, automated emails and texts reminding you of your dates, right? That's AI doing that. But there are some services that AI can't do, like luxury and complex travel planning. AI is not doing that. They need a travel agent for that. So some skills a travel agent wants to work on is using travel technology, client experience. Make sure you are providing a high level quality of service to your clients, and also global travel knowledge. Next job is translator, right? Medium risk level being replaced, right? Basic document translation, that can be done by AI, but localization and live interpretation, that can't be done by AI, right? You need a human in place to translate and interpret live during, say, a doctor's appointment or maybe in court, right? But how to enhance your skills as a translator, work on cross-cultural communication, and also editing and specialize, right? Next job, just had this conversation with my wife last week, proofreader. How many proofreader jobs do you see, right? So has a medium risk level being replaced, but grammar and syntax correction, AI can do that. Just look at Word doc. Look at Word, Microsoft Word, right? That has spell check and grammar check. Okay. Right. Matter of fact, you can copy and paste anything you write into, say, ChatGPT and ask it to review it and make corrections. It'll do it for you. Right. But tasks are safe are creative editing and tone alignment, making sure the tone of the message is in alignment for what you want to communicate to your audience. So skills as a proofreader, you want to develop content strategy, okay, writing, and AI text tools. Paralegal, medium high risk level being replaced or transformed by AI. So legal research and document drafting, AI is doing that now. Tasks are safe are case preparations and client interviews. Need humans for that. Now, how to enhance your skills as a paralegal, learn about legal technology, case management, and communication. Communication is key for a lot of jobs. Warehouse worker, high risk level of being replaced or transformed by AI. Just think about the robots that Amazon uses to help fill orders. Robots, not humans. Okay, so sorting, packaging, and lifting, that's done by AI. So jobs that are needed are supervising robots and safety inspections. So those are tasks that may be safe for warehouse workers. But skills are automation oversight, logistics, and inventory systems. Okay, those are skills to develop as a warehouse worker. Delivery driver, medium high risk of being replaced. I would say high. I've been in cities where they had these little tiny carts delivering people's to-go orders to their houses or offices. I've seen robo-taxis. These are driverless taxis picking people up. I've seen packages delivered using a drone. Okay? But routine delivery routes, AI is already doing that. But tasks that may be safe as a delivery driver are customer relations and logistics planning. Now, some skills a delivery driver wants to work on are route optimization technology. So being able to put together routes for the drivers for that day to make sure they're being as efficient as possible with delivering packages. Okay. And also vehicle maintenance. That's a good skill to have. You need to keep those vehicles on the road, right? Next job is market research analyst, medium risk level being replaced. Jobs that can be done by AI are data collection and trend summaries. Jobs that may be safe for market research analysts, interpretation of the data, and strategy building. Okay. Skill sets to work on are data visualization, so making charts and things like that with pie charts and graphs, something visual, videos, and business strategy. Junior software developer, medium risk of being replaced by AI, so code generation and debugging. Let me tell a quick story. I've used AI to build websites. I have no website building experience. I simply used AI. I told it what I wanted, gave it a description of what I wanted, and AI built websites for me that work. It's amazing. Okay, so in order to enhance your skills, but tasks that may be safe as a junior software developer, system design and architecture of the software, right? And then skill sets to improve AI integration. Use AI as a tool to help you and integrate into the websites. And also full stack development and prompt engineering. Learn how to create prompts that AI uses to make people's lives easier. Okay. Financial analysts. Medium risk of being replaced by AI. Report generation and forecasting, that can be done by AI. Tasks that may be safe are strategic advising and risk management. Need humans for that. Some skill sets to work on. Financial modeling. Okay. AI tools. Learn how to use those. And leadership. Becoming a stronger leader. Recruiter. So these are people who recruit for jobs. Not an athletic recruiter, but job recruiter. Medium level of being replaced, medium risk level. So screening resumes and scheduling interviews, that can be done by AI now. Okay, I was a former leader. We used AI